Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're breaking down IRS penalties, specifically the two big ones that trip people up, the failure to file penalty and the failure to pay penalty. They sound similar, but they're very different, and understanding them can actually save you a lot of money. Let's start with the failure to file penalty. This one hits you when you don't file your tax return by the deadline and you owe money. The penalty is 5% of your unpaid taxes for each month your return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. So if you owe $10,000 and you're 5 months late, that's $2,500 in penalties alone, just for not filing on time. Now here's the kicker. If you're more than 60 days late, there's a minimum penalty. It's either the full amount of tax you owe or a set dollar amount, whichever is smaller. For recent years, that minimum has been around $485. So even if you only owe a few $100, you could still get hit with a significant penalty. The failure to pay penalty is different. This one applies when you file your return but don't pay the tax you owe. The rate is much lower, 0.5% per month, up to a maximum of 25%. So it adds up slower, but it still adds up. So here's the takeaway, and this is the part I really want you to remember. Even if you can't pay your taxes, file your return anyway. The failure to file penalty is 10 times higher than the failure to pay penalty. Filing on time, even if you can't pay, saves you money. You can always set up a payment plan later. One more thing, if both penalties apply at the same time, the IRS reduces the failure to file penalty by the failure to pay amount. So you won't get hit with the full 5.5% combined, but you'll still owe both penalties up to their respective caps. Now, the good news is the penalties can sometimes be removed. The IRS has programs like the first-time penalty abatement and reasonable cause relief, but that's a topic for another video. For now, just remember, always file on time, even if you can't pay. As always, talk to your tax advisor if you're dealing with penalties and you want to explore your options. Thanks for watching. See you next time.